Do you want to set your business apart? Then do it. Dominate your market.
Dominate
Your market.
Do it.
Dominate your market.
Are you ready to dominate your Google My Business listing? Of course you are. That's why you're here. So Google My Business or Google Maps listing is a key element in your search strategy and in dominating search strategy for your business. So I want to talk about a couple of ways that you can maximize and optimize that Maps listing to ensure that you're coming up at the top of those searches when someone is searching for the keywords that brings up your business. So let's get into it real quick. Number one thing that you want to do, or the first thing that you want to do, is you want to make sure that you audit your citations. Citation is simply a directory listing with the multiple directories across the internet. Places like Facebook, other social media, Yelp, Axiom. There's all kinds of places that your directory can be listed. And unfortunately, the least little thing that's incorrect about your name, address, or phone number, something as small as punctuation or using parentheses on your phone number instead of a hyphen, can make those links be what we call broken and not contribute to each other, and therefore cause Google to think that you're a different company. So you want to perform a citation audit. You can do this relatively cheap and sometimes free. Go to Moz.com, and on Moz.com, they'll have a citation audit tool that you can utilize to determine if you have broken links. If you do have broken links, they'll give you a tool, again, relatively inexpensive, to fix those links and to allow you to make sure that your citations are accurate across all directories. That's number one. Number two, you want to make sure that you have a minimum of 40 photos in your Google My Business listing. So log into your listing, business.google.com, go to photos, and count them. How many do you have? Do you have at least 40? If you don't, add 40 photos. Get to that number at least. Add a minimum. But you also want to name those photos before you add them. And you need to name them with the specific keywords that are going to bring customers to you when they search those keywords. So for instance, I'm in Cincinnati, and one of our businesses is pressure washing. So our pictures would be named things like Cincinnati pressure washing, Cincinnati house washing, things like that that are going to bring customers to me when they do those searches. Number three, you want to develop a consistent Google review strategy. Simply, you want to ask your customers for reviews after you complete the service, and you want to do that on a consistent basis. Go to my app, text IGNITE to 36260, and there's a link to teach you how to get your Google review link pre-populated with 5 stars, so you can send that link out to your customers and ask them for reviews. Hey, customer, can you help me out? Ask that customer to assist in helping you build your business. What we do is we ask for a review 5 times in 30 days after the service is completed via email and text to ensure that customers are going to give us that information. And then finally, something new that's in Map Listing, or relatively new, is Google Posts. Again, go to business.google.com, sign in, and go to Posts. Every week, make a post about your business. It could be a special offer or a coupon or just something simple that promotes your business. By doing this, you tell Google that you're interested in developing and keeping content up to date for your customers. And by doing all 4 of these things, it tells Google that your business has credibility, and credibility is what drives traffic to that listing. A Google Maps listing is a great way to get pushed up in the search rankings and to find, or to allow customers to find you when they're searching for those keywords that are going to bring them to your business. So invest the time, invest the effort in your Maps listing, and within a short period of time, you can have a listing that's coming up number 1 all the time. So you're dominating your market for those search keywords that bring customers to you. Let's dominate.